What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. So today we're going to finally finish up the lip kit on my car. I have the side skirts here. These are the HT Auto side skirts, I think they are. So I'm just going to pull out the car and then I'm going to jack up each side as I put the side skirts on. So these actually have like a long strip of automotive tape, but there's also some holes here. And then it came with some pop clips. So I'm gonna try to see if I can use these pop clips. So I'm gonna pull out the car, jack up the sides, try to line up the side skirt as best as possible, and then mark out where I need to drill some holes, because this says here a 6mm drill bit required. So I gotta drill a bunch of holes, make sure that those pop clips fit. If not, I actually do have a set of extra pop clips that I have just in case I break anything on the car when I'm removing pieces. But yeah, this should be pretty easy. So I'm just gonna take the car out now so I have more space out here in my driveway and I can see better because it's kind of dark in there. Okay, so what I'm going to do first is I'm going to jack up the passenger side from the pinch weld, and then the car's pretty stiff, so once you start jacking up that side, this side's also going to come up with it. So I'm going to raise the car up high enough so I can fit a jack stand under there. That way I can remove the jack, because as you can see it's going to be kind of in the way when I'm putting in the side skirt. So I'm going to leave it like this now actually. So I have a jack stand in the back, jack in the front, and then I noticed that when I line up the side skirt, I actually have just enough space for where the hole needs to get drilled in the front. So there's a hole that needs to get drilled over here and one on this side, so it's just on either side of the jack. So I should have enough space for my drill, because when I left just that one on, the front side went down a little too far. So I'm gonna leave it like this, and then I'm gonna use my jack stands to actually help support this as I start lining it up. And also, one thing you guys want to do, I washed my car yesterday, but the underside is still pretty dirty, so you want to make sure that you clean off the underside, because if you plan on using this tape, you want it to adhere. So in order for it to adhere, you want a clean surface. So just get a microfiber towel, ideally a dirty one that you don't care about, and then just wipe the whole bottom side of this side skirt. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. Okay guys, so this is the clip that comes with the side skirts. So it's actually a little Phillips head, so as you screw this part in, the pop clip itself will bulge out on top, which is what will secure it. So what I'm gonna do is line up the end here with this back corner here. So if these line up, I checked the length, everything seems to match up in terms of length. The curve here matches up pretty well with the curve that you have on the actual stock side skirt. It's not perfect. There's some portions where you might need to pull the side skirt, this one, out a little bit more in order for it to line up properly. So I'm gonna try to do my best. But what I'm gonna do is start from the back, and then drill a hole, get a pop clip in, drill a hole, get a pop clip in, and go like that slowly so I get everything lined up exactly how I want until I get it to the front. Once I have everything lined up, then what I'm gonna do is peel off some of the tape, stick the back end in, put the pop clip in. As I move forward, peel more and more of the tape as I put in all the pop clips. That way I can line it up as best as possible, and hopefully don't run into any issues. I guess we'll see. The good thing is that if you mess up, this is on the bottom of the car, so nobody's gonna see it. Nobody's gonna notice that you have holes drilled in there. So obviously don't mess up, but if you make a few mistakes, it's not a big deal. If you decide later on you don't even want the side skirt, chuck it, just cover the holes with the pop clips. It's fine, nobody's gonna notice. So yeah, let's start this process. And also, so I need a 6mm drill bit. I have Imperial unit drill bits, but whoops, dropped you guys. So 6mm I think is 0.236 inches. So I have here a 15/64 drill bit, which is I think 2.34 inches. So it's pretty much exactly 6mm. So this is gonna end up being the last size that I need to use. So what I'm gonna do first is start with a pilot hole. So get a small drill bit, maybe like a 1/16 or something, or 5/64. Get something small, and then slowly work my way up to the 5/64, which is the final one. Because you don't want to just go in with a big drill bit, because you might like warp or damage the plastic. You want to go in with a small hole first, and then gradually make it bigger. So when I was drilling the holes out for the side skirt, I used 5 different size drill bits. It might be a little excessive, but that's what I used. So I actually started off with a 7/16, which is this tiny guy. Then I went to a 9/64, and then from there I went to a 5/32, 7/32, and then I ended up with the 15/64. That's the one that's just slightly smaller than 6mm. And then after this, I was done. I didn't drill the hole out any bigger. So that's what I did. You don't have to do the same thing, but you'd want to like step up slowly from a small drill bit, gradually getting to the final size. Alright guys, after a lot of struggling, I finally got the side skirt on. So as you can see here, here's the side skirt. It does make a significant difference in the ride height. Like you'll see when I lower the car, it actually does look pretty low. So just be careful whenever you're going over like steep hills or like bumps, because you might actually end up scraping the side skirts. Make sure when you're drilling the holes, do not make them any bigger than 6mm. If you make them bigger, those pop clips that it came with, they will just slide right in and they won't secure anything. Make sure you make it exactly 6mm, or the size that I used, which was the 15/64. That worked perfectly. And then when you're putting in the pop clip, you'll see that when you're screwing it in, like the last like few threads, it won't go in at first, but then you have to like just push it, give a little bit of force, and then you'll see that it'll start to tighten, and then it'll make it nice and secure. So this thing's like on there, like I don't even have the tape on there, but it's pretty tight on there. Yeah. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take one end of the tape, peel it a little bit. So I'll take the pop clip off from either the back end or the front end, take a little bit off, and then as I'm pulling the tape and going along the rest of the side skirt, start pressing it up against the body. So that's what I'm gonna do now. So you can see here, I got a little bit of the tape off. It's not stuck on yet, but what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna press the back end in, put this back clip, and then I'm gonna pull the tape. As I'm pulling the tape, press up on the side skirt so that it can adhere. Okay, car's on the ground. It's subtle, like you don't really notice it at first, but then you could tell the car is actually like significantly lower. Like before there was a decent amount of space when I put my jack in here. Now I have maybe an inch between the jack and the side skirt. So this like lowers it like maybe another, I want to say maybe like an inch or 3/4 of an inch. It looks pretty good though. And like finally I think like the car looks complete, because now I have the front lip, side skirts, rear spats. So everything kind of like flows a lot better. Alright, so now I'm just gonna work on the other side, and then I'll do like a little cinematic showing you guys like what the whole car looks like with the side skirts on. Alright guys, so here's the final product. Now I have the full lip kit on the car. So I have the rear spats, side skirt extensions, and the front lip. So now the car looks complete. Also, if it looks like I have different wheels, that's because I took this video way later and I've switched to my winter wheels instead of my summer wheels, so that's why I have the black instead of the bronze. But yeah, here's the car, and I just washed it. So yeah, I highly recommend these side skirt extensions. They're pretty easy to install. They look pretty good. It's subtle, but it makes a difference because, you know, the car looks a little bit lower. And yeah, so if you guys like the video, you know, give it a like, thumbs up, subscribe. I'm pretty much done with cosmetic stuff. I have a few more like pieces to put in the engine bay. I have a new fender shroud, and I have a little diffuser I'm going to be putting on. But now I actually have a bunch of performance parts. So now I'm going to be putting a lot of more performance parts on the car, trying to make a little bit more power. But yeah, thanks for watching.